everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I am sitting in my bed again. I did my Q&A video, I think it was last week, and I sat in this spot and I was like, man, this is so comfortable. Why don't I film from here more often? So I think I might, if you guys don't mind or if you like it this way, just kind of, it makes me feel more casual and relaxed, and I don't know, it feels a lot better to sit on my bed than it does to sit on the bench that I normally sit on. So I thought I would come to you guys today and share a little bit about goals, having a productive new year, and finishing out this year strong. I love this time of year, and I know we don't have to wait until New Year's Day to have things start anew. I mean, you can start new every minute, literally, or every day, or every week. You don't have to wait for New Year's to make changes in your life. And I definitely don't, but I love this time of year because I love thinking about all that I accomplished this year and all that I have to look forward to and to do next year. I really love that. I thrive on goals and to-do lists and planning and reflection on what I've done, and I think now is a great time to do it. So I wanted to get this video up a little bit before the end of the year so that you have time to start thinking about some of these things, because some of these things are kind of time sensitive. And some of these things are things that I want you to kind of start thinking about now before New Year's comes. Today I have 3 things you can do right now to end this year strong and have the best new year ever. The first thing is to start setting goals for next year right now. Now is the time of year I like to sit down and reflect on what I got done this year, what I didn't get done this year, anything that I wanted to do that I didn't, or things that I wanted to do that I did and was able to mark off the list, things I learned. I really just like to sit down and think about my year kind of as it has progressed so far. And then I like to start thinking about next year. If I had any projects that I wanted to get done that I didn't get done this year, obviously those are going to get put on next year if they're still a priority. If I have anything unfinished that I started this year and I didn't get to finish, then I will try to finish it up now if possible, which sometimes is hard. With the holidays, we get really busy. I try to finish it up. If it's something I can't finish up, then I make sure to go ahead and put it on next year's kind of goals to-do list, sort of at the top, so I don't have a bunch of unfinished projects. Goals are what drive us in life. If you don't have goals, then what are you doing? Like, what are you excited about? What do you get happy about? What are you proud of that you do? If you don't ever have goals that you can work towards reaching, then I think life is a lot more empty. I think goals are really, really important. So I am going to be giving something away in this video. This video is not sponsored, but I am going to be giving away something to you guys to help you with your goals and your planning and having an awesome new year. I'm going to be sharing more about that at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But that is my first tip for just having a great year, is to set goals and really break them down into little bite-sized chunks so they're actually realistic and attainable. Speaking of goals, for my second tip for having a great year, pretty much everybody I think is going to have some type of health and fitness or weight loss goal for the new year. I mean, I think we all do. Even if you're super fit, you're going to probably want to maybe lift more, or you're going to run longer, or whatever it is. So I think everybody has some sort of health and fitness goal that they would like to reach. So I think now is actually the perfect time to start working on those weight loss and healthier goals instead of waiting until January 1st. If you start right now, like today, when you get done watching this video, you go do something active. You go take a walk, or you do a workout video on YouTube, or you do whatever it is you like to do to be active. Take your dog for a walk, go for a jog, whatever it is. Now is the best time to start working out, because it is going to help you to counteract any of the overeating that you're going to be doing for the holidays, which you know you're going to be doing. We all do it. So it's going to help you to counteract those extra calories. It's going to help you with your stress that a lot of us feel during the holidays, because you have to get all these gifts and you have to be here, here, and here. And you have projects that have to be finished at work before the new year. All these things that are coming at you here in these last few weeks of the year. Getting exercise in at least several times a week is going to really, really help you with your mood and your stress. So I really recommend now, if you've never worked out before, or you've wanted to work out but you didn't do it yet, start right now. You feel so much more motivated and proud and productive when January 1st rolls around, when you've already got a few weeks worth of a habit of working out and eating healthier and making better choices. That doesn't mean you can't have Christmas cookies, but it's way better to have Christmas cookies and work out than to have Christmas cookies and not work out. So definitely start working out right now. Start making little changes you can do right now to get you healthier and get you in the habit of working out and eating healthy, so that when January 1st rolls around, it doesn't seem like a huge daunting task. You've already gotten this into somewhat of a habit. You've gotten this into a routine, and it's really already working for you. And I think it's going to motivate you in your other goals, even if they are non-health related goals. I think feeling productive and having that sense of pride for working out and making these healthier choices, I think is going to give you a positive momentum towards every goal you've made and you've set for yourself in your life. So start working out today, right now, get it done. The tip that you need to do to close out this year strong and start your new year fresh and motivated and on the right foot is a couple different financial things you should do. First of all, you really should go through now, if you haven't done it yet, and purge things that you do not need that you want to get rid of. Now is the perfect time to donate all of those things that have been laying around, either if they're still in your house or they're in a box in your garage, wherever they are. Now is the perfect time to donate them and get your tax donation sheet so you can turn that in on your taxes in the spring. You definitely want to make sure that all of your charitable contributions, all of your church tithes, all of your donations, all of that stuff you get done here in the next few days so that you can get those claimed on your taxes for the upcoming tax season. So whether you're donating to Goodwill or you're tithing to your church or whatever it is that you do, make sure you've got all that stuff taken care of before the end of the year so that you can claim it on your taxes. Also, if you have met your dental or your medical deductible for the year, and a lot of us have really high deductibles, so it may not always be as easy to meet your deductible as it used to be, but if you have met your deductible, whether with dental or medical or both, make sure you're getting all of your office visits done, as many as you can get done here in the next few weeks. If you needed to go for your annual physical, or you needed to go and have another dental cleaning, or you needed to go and get new glasses, or whatever it is you needed to do, if you've met your deductible, now is the best time to go ahead and get all of those doctor's appointments done and out of the way so that you're paying less out of pocket, if that makes sense. So that's important. Also, if you have a flexible spending account that does not roll over to the next year, you want to make sure that you have used or claimed all of that money for your medical expenses so that you're not wasting it, because that is something that you put into every week or every month with your paycheck. A lot of times it's something that your employer will also match a certain amount, and if that money is sitting in an account somewhere for you to use or for you to access and you're not using it before the end of the year, definitely make sure that you do that. Now, some people's FSAs do roll over. Ours rolls over, so we don't have to worry about getting it all done before the end of the year, but it used to not, like many years ago. And a lot of people, I think, still have FSAs that don't roll over from year to year. So you may still have money in your account that you need to use. If you don't know, ask the HR person at your job, and they will be able to tell you if that money is going to roll over or if you need to use it up before the end of the year. The same thing with vacation. If you have any vacation days that do not roll over to the next year, then you want to make sure you go ahead and take those days if you're able to, or you can sometimes cash them out. If you opt not to take the vacation day, a lot of employers will give you a certain amount of money back in a check just for not taking that vacation day, if you know what I mean. So again, check with your HR person if you have any vacation days left over and do they roll over, or if they don't, you want to go ahead and use them or cash them out before December 31st. Another suggestion I have, and now is a great time to do it, every single year, at least once a year, you should be reevaluating your bills and your credit card interest and all of those things that you're paying for. So your cell phone bill, your cable bill, your satellite, you know, all of those things, your credit card companies, all of those places that you pay for and pay into. Now is a good time. Same thing with homeowners and car insurance. Now is the perfect time to call those people and start reevaluating and renegotiating your rates. We do this once a year pretty much with every company that we deal with. My husband actually just did it yesterday with our phone and our internet, to call and get a discount put on our account because we've had the account for so many times, you know, so long and blah, blah, blah. You definitely should be renegotiating your rates with pretty much everybody you pay money to at least once a year. Now, even if you don't do it this time of year, I know it's busy for all of us, but at least once a year, you should be calling your credit card companies and asking, do they have a lower interest rate offer for you? You should be calling your satellite company and asking, can they lower your bill? And if they say no, ask for the customer retention department, because they are able to work with you a little bit more if they think you're going to cancel your services if they don't lower the bill. Same thing with cell phones. We do it every year. I mean, just, you've got it takes some effort, it takes some work on your part, but it definitely has a huge payoff. And some people will say no, but most people will say yes. And it's a great thing, it's a great habit to get into doing at least once a year, whether it's now or sometime next year. You know, make the habit of doing it once a year. It really will help with your everyday and your monthly expenses. Okay, so back to goal setting. I talked about having a giveaway for you guys. I haven't done a giveaway in a while, but I really love giving you guys stuff. So I'm going to be giving away one of these Clever Fox planners. You can actually get these on Amazon. But I just thought it'd be a really good thing to give you guys, and I love that it comes in a box like this, so it's just a beautiful thing to open up and have all this stuff inside. So you've got your little card here, how to use it, there's a coupon code, you've got some stickers for exercise and birthdays and going out to eat and all different types of stickers, and it also comes with some suggestions on how to use the planner. And I am excited because I just think it's a beautiful planner. First of all, it's pink, which anything pink makes me excited. It is the Clever Fox Non-Dated Weekly Planner. Achieve your goals and increase your productivity, passion, and happiness. So basically, it is a goal setting and a goal tracking planner. And there's all different types of ways that you can plan. So I'm just going to show you from the beginning. And I like that it's also got some gratitude spots. So I am grateful for what I'm passionate about, skills to learn, and habits to adopt. That's a big deal. My affirmations. It's got a page for a vision board, so you can kind of draw pictures or cut out pictures of things that motivate you and inspire you. And then it's got your goals here, and it's broken up into life areas. So health, business, career, family and friends, significant other and romance, finance, personal development, fun and recreation, and spiritual. And then a focus map for your goals. And then, of course, it's got your undated monthly spread, and then this month's goals, this month's wins, and things I will improve next month. So it's just a really visible way to set goals, to break them down into little pieces like I was talking about, because that makes them so much more realistic and attainable. And I think it's just fun. And when you have something fun like this, you know, get yourself some fun pens or like fine point markers and some Sharpies, and make this your own. Make it your place to set all your goals and be the most productive person that you can be. Start making goals that you actually reach. I think it's really important. So one of you guys is going to win the Clever Fox Planner. I'm going to have a Rafflecopter link down in the description box for you guys, for you to enter if you want to win. All the terms and everything will be written out in the description box, and then all you have to do is follow that link if you want to enter. So I'm really excited for you guys. I'm really excited for me. I love a new year. I don't go out on New Year's, like we don't. We stay home and watch a movie and do whatever, and kind of like we would normally do on a weekend. So it's not like we go out and do anything, but I just love the fresh start of a brand new year. So I hope you guys do too. I hope this video was helpful and has you amped up for a great new year and to do what you can to finish this year strong. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.